Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella San Luci kitchen. Today we're going to cook a wonderful shrimp Italian ceviche with our Meyer Lemon dressing as part of our new line of amazing, refreshing, wonderful dishes for summer. We've marinated our prawns, otherwise known as shrimp. Okay, with a hot pan, slowly, carefully, here come the marinated prawns. A wonderful aroma is coming off of these shrimp right now. You can tell when they're a little bouncy that they're cooked. I still see a little bit of raw color, but I think it's time to put a little salt and pepper. Salt, same pepper, just a pinch. Stir again, and now the garlic. Okay, that's good. We're just cooked through. Flame is off, and we're gonna go straight onto this plate. Beautiful. Okay, continuing this wonderful salad. The shrimp have now come to room temperature and have gotten a double marinade with this dressing. Lemon, garlic, wonderful aromatic flavors. We're gonna mix everything together now. Here come the shrimp and the marinade that we used and all of that flavor. We're using cucumber for this. It's a wonderful ceviche that's kind of a Greek salad at the same time, promoting the Mediterranean diet. Greek, Spanish, Italian, and very healthy. Here come the red onions, olives, our Bella San Luci sun-dried tomato julienne, our pride and joy. So now you have two Bella San Luci products in this recipe. We're gonna mix in a little bit of the parsley we've chopped and leave a little out for garnish for later. And now we're gonna toss the entire thing. I guess you could call it a ceviche salad. Okay, here comes another drizzle of the dressing. Our Meyer Lemon Vinaigrette with touches of basil and honey, lots of antioxidants in the olive oil and in the sun-dried tomatoes. With all of these wonderful flavors for a fabulous, summery, lunchtime, picnicky, fabulous dish to add to your repertoire.